In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a road profile. Okay, so we are going to go through a few steps. We are going to start by importing our CSV file, which would consist of our XYZ. So let's do that part first. So I'm going to import my CSV file. If you don't know how to do that, you can refer to my previous videos on how to import a CSV file. Okay, so now that we have our CSV files, these are actually taken along a road. This is left, center, and right. Okay, so that's the same for each of them, and they're taken at a certain interval. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing an alignment. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing an alignment. If you want to draw a road profile, you need a surface and an alignment. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing my alignment. I'll draw an alignment for the left part of the road. So I'm going to call this one, let's say, KNST road, like this. And I'll take the major minor and then I'll just continue. Okay, so now I have a road profile like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a surface also. I'm going to generate a surface also from the elevations of each of these points. Now, I've already recorded videos on each of these three steps we've already done. I've recorded videos on importing CSV files, on drawing alignments, and creating surfaces. Okay, so if you're not getting a complete understanding of it here, you can easily refer to them in my previous videos. Okay, so now that we have our alignment and we have our surfaces, we are going to go ahead and now draw our profile. So to do that, we use this tool here, profile tool, and then we use the creation tools. Okay, so like I said, you need an alignment and a surface. So I'm going to select both of them and then the surface, and I'm going to add. Okay, if I had more alignments and more surfaces, I could have actually added them here. So when I click on OK, it tells me that it has been created successfully. All right, so what I'm going to do is it has been created, but you cannot see it now. If you want to view it, you need a view. Okay, so you use a profile view to view your profile. Okay, so like this, if I could modify all of these settings, but I'm going to keep the default settings just for the purpose of showing you. So this is a profile of this particular alignment and surface. Okay, so with this you can do extra stuff with it. You can actually edit the labels, you can do more drawings on it, you can overlay other profiles on it. I'm sure in the next videos I'll be showing you some of the things you can do with this profile. Okay, so if you like my content, kindly leave a comment, kindly leave a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to it. Bye.